Hello my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious turkey recipe for Thanksgiving. It's turkey tenderloin. I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients. I have black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, 1 garlic clove, 2 tablespoons of butter, spinach, half an onion, bacon, and of course, turkey tenderloin. This is a perfect recipe for the holidays. So you know something? Let's get started. I want to start first with the spices, and I have here garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper. To this, I'm not going to add any salt. I'm just going to add these spices and mix them very well until everything is nice and combined. Just like this. When you have everything nice and combined, then it's time to start adding all these spices to the chicken tenderloins. Here I have them nice and cleaned, and I dried them a little bit, and now I'm just adding the spices right on the top. You want to make sure that you cover the turkey tenderloins completely. Once they are covered like that, well, then we're going to flip them over and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. This part is important because you need to cover and give all those delicious flavors to the turkey tenderloin. Once you add everything on the top and everything is nice and completely covered, well, then we're going to put them aside, let them rest for just a couple minutes while we prepare the bacon. You're going to use about 6 to 8 pieces of slices of bacon, and I'm going to show you step by step how to weave the bacon. Yes, you need to weave the bacon so that it covers completely the turkey tenderloins. Let me show you. We're going to flip these two to the side, and they're going to put them back, and then we're going to do the opposite. Look at this. Take your time when you're weaving your bacon because this part is important. That's how you see at the end of the process of cooking your turkey tenderloins, they're gonna look amazing. The weave is gonna look perfect. That's why I wanted to show you and take my time weaving the bacon so that it comes out really beautiful when you are completely done with your turkey tenderloins. Look at this. This is the part where it really takes a little longer to make, but at the end, it's totally worth it. The holidays are around the corner, and this is a perfect recipe for Thanksgiving. Sometimes we don't want to make a whole turkey, and you know something, this is a perfect recipe. You want to enjoy turkey, but yet you don't want to make a whole turkey. Well, look at this. You're going to start covering your turkey tenderloin. Make sure that you cover the sides really good so they don't open while they are cooking in the oven. And always preheat your oven to 450. You're going to preheat your oven for 450 and you're going to cook it for about 45 minutes. Let me flip this around. Let me tuck in all these pieces of bacon, and this is completely done. Look at this. Look at the weave. It looks perfect. I'm going to continue with the rest doing the same thing. I'm going to transfer this one to my baking dish. And let me continue weaving the bacon and covering the rest of the turkey tenderloins. This is the last one, and let me show you one more time how to cover it. Make sure that you cover those sides really good and you tuck them in really good so nothing comes out and all the juices stay inside the turkey tenderloin. This turkey tenderloin is gonna come out so soft, so delicious that you guys are going to love this recipe. Look at this. Once this is completely done, well then, let me transfer it to the baking dish where I have the rest of the tenderloins. Now this is completely done. You don't need to add anything else on top of it. And let's take it to the oven. The oven has been preheated to 450 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna put it in there for at least 35 minutes. After the 30 minutes or 35 minutes, I'm gonna come back, remove the foil paper, and cook it one more time until the bacon is nice and crispy. Remember, every oven is different, but once you uncover it and you put it back, take your time and make sure that you're really looking and seeing that the bacon is really toasted from the top. Okay, this is completely done, and let me show it to you. Look at this. The bacon is nice and crispy. The color is nice and brown. And now I'm ready to start dicing my garlic clove. I want to dice it really small so that it releases all the delicious flavor. I'm adding it straight to the butter. And now my onion that I'm going to cube. Okay, this is done. It really didn't take too long. You know that the spinach doesn't take too long cooking. So this is everything we need. I have my pan here. It's nice. It's getting nice and hot. I'm adding the 2 tablespoons of the butter and the garlic. Once it's dissolving, I'm going to start by adding the onion. And now I'm just going to cook it. I'm going to cook it until it starts changing color, starts getting a little brown. Once it starts getting nice and brown, then I'm ready to add the spinach. Remember that the spinach doesn't take too long cooking, so just take your time moving a little bit and you will see that the spinach is going to reduce. But you know something, it has a lot of flavor. Okay, this is done. My turkey tenderloins have been resting and I am ready to plate them. I'm going to add one by one here. And now I can't wait to slice one. Slice it open and show you how it looks from the inside. My home really smells amazing. Look at this. It's really cooked. It's soft, it's crispy from the outside, it's tender from the inside. How crispy it is, the bacon, that is really pulling apart. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. Turkey tenderloin
covered with bacon. Of course, my side dish is spinach
and a little bit of paper flakes. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let me see how this came out because my home smells amazing and I am sure that this tastes delicious. And of course I want to get a little bit of everything. Excuse me. The turkey is so tender, and to tell you the truth, you don't need to add any salt to your turkey. It absorbed all the delicious flavor of the bacon, and this is just perfection. You guys are ready for the holidays, ready for Thanksgiving with Cooking with Gloria. Excuse me. The best thing of this recipe is that this recipe is made at home with lots of love. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious turkey tenderloin made at home with lots of love. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.